Jim, we made it. Thanks so much for having us.
Welcome, Evan. It's great to see you.
I didn't realize how big this place was.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely great. We have a lot to look at.
Let's jump in. Are we going off-road?
We're going off-road.
Jim, have you been here since the beginning?
I have. A labor of love. Great project. We have all 376 RV sites open.
There seems to be amenities everywhere I look.
There's tons to do here at Coachella Lakes. We have an 18-hole putting course, with championship level play. We have 2 resort pools and 3 spas. There's 20 acres of grass here.
That's why you get out of the city. You come to here for the open spaces.
Absolutely. We have a 5,000 square foot dog park. We have a stick library where your dog can check out sticks.
A stick library?
Absolutely.
Stiff competition out here in the pickleball court.
Oh, they take it real seriously. So we have 6 pickleball courts. Oh, they're focused.
They're focused. Is there a central gathering hub?
The clubhouse includes a grand living room. It's just really just a space for people to connect. So we have a dedicated fitness center open 24 hours a day. It's a great amenity for the pool users during the day.
So you can stay here, play here, work out here, and then forget about work here.
That's right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The vibes I'm getting as we drive around, there's a connection here.
What makes this place special is the lifestyle, the programming, the events and activities that we have here at Coachella Lakes, because that gives people the opportunity to socialize, connect, make friends, and make memories.
You don't have to have an RV stay here, correct?
That's correct. We got you covered. So we have 15 vacation rentals on site.
Well, I can't wait to look at one of the rentals. Well, this is more spacious than I thought it was going to be.
It really has everything you need. They're all designed after our vibe here at Coachella Lakes, which we really try to put forth like our California warmth and keep things elevated.
Yeah.
We have 2 bedrooms with a loft, 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, and 1 bedroom with a loft. You can sleep up to 6 people. The kitchens are fully stocked. That way you don't have to bring things with you. We have a beautiful patio to enjoy the view. You can see our lakes and you can see the snow-capped San Jacinto Mountains and right over there to the west.
A view from every vacation rental.
Yes, sir.
It's everything you would love about indoor hospitality, but with the perks of the outdoors.
It's all inclusive, so anything we offer, you have access to.
It's really unique for a vacation rental.
It really is. Before we go, I want to challenge you on our 18-hole championship putting course.
I was actually hoping you'd say that.
Let's check it out.
Where are the putters?
This is our 18-hole putting course at Coachella Lakes. Definitely our #1 amenity without a doubt.
Got him.
There's music playing on the course just to set the vibe. Whether you're an experienced golfer or you're just having fun with your friends and family, the course will work for you.
Well, let's have fun right now. First to get a hole-in-one wins an RV. No, I'm kidding. Oh! The stage is set. Give it to him, give it to him.
Oh.
For the tie. And it's right in. Before I leave, I just wanted to thank you, Jim, and your entire team, because what you have going on here at Coachella Lakes is something really special. It's just community at its heart.
Our purpose here at Coachella Lakes is really just to create amazing experiences that make us never want to leave, and that really starts and ends with the people. So I'm glad you noticed that today. Thank you.
Thank you.